Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Behind the Closed Doors. Today is day one of the Ultimate Weekend. And the Ultimate Weekend, that's a really special workshop. Because the Ultimate Weekend, believe it or not, is 2 full days of education and inspiration. It's of course all about lighting, photography and a lot more. Now you might wonder, what is a lot more? Well, in the Ultimate Weekend there's also time for business tips, a lot of retouching, and at the first day, which actually runs from 10 till 9, we also take the whole group out for dinner in a local wok restaurant. So it's gonna be really intense. Now, the first day we have our model Nadine, who tells a little bit about styling, of course, and is our model. And tomorrow we have Lois. And tomorrow actually we're also going to go outside. So let's hope the weather stays like this. Because let's be honest, the big softbox in the sky, well, that helps a lot with strobes. So now we can do day to night with a really aggressive sky. So let's hope tomorrow looks a little bit like this and no rain. So at the moment we're about 1 hour before the workshop. I'm really looking forward to it. This is without a doubt a very intense workshop, but also so much fun. So if you like what we do, subscribe, like and leave comments. Are you ready? Let's go. And of course our loyal fan is already waiting. Hello Chewy. It's very enthusiastic, of course.
My heart is at war with my thoughts. Oh, and I don't know which side is better. I try to connect all the dots. Oh, to let you in behind my shelter. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? Either come close or stay away. Oh, this words are echoing inside of me. Astray. Well, give me clarity so I can see. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? 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 Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love?
Today is day 2 of the Ultimate Weekend. We put up a new background, the flower power. The students helped me cleaning up and also hanging up the new background. And we also got this one. And look, we cleaned up the stage together. That was really nice because otherwise I have to do it alone. It's a lot of work. And even the chandeliers I can take off by myself. Frank's computer is already on. And you see, floor is empty, ready for a new day. Guitar still here. I'll take it home. Drinking a cup of tea. And it's gonna be a great day. We go outside as well. With the porty and one modifier, so we'll see. Enjoy! Epson borrowed us a printer, and it's a very special technique, or special, I don't know. But they got some bottles with ink. So those are the ink levels. And you can see how much ink you still have, and you can refill it very easily and cheap. This one can do till A3, but we usually do A4. And it's printing now.
Nobody's like us. When people see us, they know. I feel so much for you that I don't know what to do. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. It's time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. But I just need to be sure. Some say love's not for the bitter ones. Some say love will only bring you down. Some say love can feel much better now, better now. But will you let me down? But will you let me down? But will you let me down? Oh yeah, oh yeah. But will you let me down? My heart is at war with my thoughts. Oh, and I don't know which side is better. I try to connect all the dots. Oh, to let you in behind my shelter. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? Either come close or stay away. Oh, these words are echoing inside of me. Astray. Well, give me clarity so I can see. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. I find your love? Where can 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 I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade?
Okay guys, that was the ultimate weekend. Wow, that went really fast. And as you can see, during the ultimate weekend, we do a lot of different setups. We do outside, inside, building your own set, talking about styling, business, retouching. It's literally the whole shebang. It's everything in 2 days. And those days are really intense. So, no in-between stops, by the way, during this video, for the very simple reason that it's so incredibly busy. But as soon as we start doing the normal workshops again next week, then you will find the normal behind the closed doors, where we show you the behind the scenes, but also the light explanations. So I hope you enjoyed these episodes of the Ultimate Weekend. If you do, even if you don't, please leave comments below, smash that like button, and most of all, tell other people about our channel so we can grow. See you again next time, guys. Bye bye.